Hello, welcome to IMA. Do you know SQL? What is the use of SQL? Many deaf individuals face communication challenges when learning SQL. Our training uses sign language and visual demonstrations to help them understand the concepts. What will you learn? Understanding the basics of SQL, writing simple SQL queries to interact with a database, creating and managing database tables. Tech skill learning only. Non-tech learners, please do not join. Online class will be held on June 21st from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. with ISL. Please find the link to the Google form below in the description where you can fill out and submit your details. Join our free online training. Please, come on, join us. Start your SQL learning journey. Thank you for watching me.